Hi, Internet world. My name is Christopher Colling, and I'm a paralyzed veteran. And right now I'm going to show you a quick transfer into a vehicle. So I roll up to the vehicle, pick my feet off the foot plate, scoot forward a bit, grab the door handle, put the other hand on the seat, push myself up in it, bring my legs in. And that's all there is to it. This is a lower truck, so it's a little bit easier. It's a 72 3-door Suburban that I restored with a Holley Sniper fuel injection. So it runs pretty good most days. There you go, fired right up there. So to apply the brake, push this hand control forward. And then to give it gas, I can bring it down towards my knees. This truck's also running the hooker dump downs or cutouts, however you want to call it, which I like them. And then to get out, you just do the opposite. Put my hands there, slide my butt on over. Thank you, and God bless.